If you're serious about DIY, repairs, or professional work, then having the right driver set is non-negotiable. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing electronics, working on your car, or handling everyday home projects, the quality of your tools makes a huge difference. A cheap screwdriver can strip screws, slip under pressure, and waste your time. That's why in this video, I've researched and selected some of the best driver sets available right now, focusing on build quality, magnetic precision bits, ergonomic grip, durability, and overall value for money. Some are perfect for professionals, some are ideal for home use, and some offer incredible all-in-one versatility. So if you want a driver set that actually performs and lasts, stick around, because this list might just upgrade your entire toolbox. First up is the Craftsman V20 cordless brushless impact driver set. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers stronger efficiency, longer tool life compared to standard motors. This impact driver helps you finish projects faster with high torque output and consistent power. With variable speed control, you get better precision and control for both light and heavy-duty tasks. Plus, it includes 2 batteries and a charger, so you're always ready to get the job done. Next up is the Makita XDT11Z18V LXT cordless impact driver. It runs on a conventional brushed motor, delivering reliable performance with 26% more speed. This driver increases productivity. It produces an impressive 1,460 inch-pounds of max torque. Despite its power, it's incredibly compact at just 5 3/8 inches long and weighs only 2.8 pounds, reducing fatigue during long work sessions and making it perfect for tight spaces. The built-in fan design helps cool the motor during operation, improving performance and extending tool life under continuous use. Now, one of its strongest durability features is the all-metal gear housing. This heavy-duty metal construction protects internal components from wear and impact damage. It improves heat dissipation, enhances structural strength, and ensures long-term reliability even on demanding job sites. Unlike plastic housings, metal gearing adds extra toughness, making this tool built to last through serious professional use. The Makita XDT11Z is made for those who need performance they can trust. Next up is the CZI 1/2 inch cordless impact wrench WH700. It features 2 speed settings, giving you better control for both precision work and high-power fastening. With 2 4,000 mAh batteries, you get extended runtime and less downtime between jobs. The durable 1/2 inch anvil ensures secure socket connection, while the safety lock adds extra protection during use. Thanks to one-click operation, switching modes is fast and simple. The built-in bright LED light helps you work clearly in dark spaces, and with 3-in-1 functionality, including drill bits, screwdriver bits, and 6 sockets, this tool becomes an all-in-one powerhouse for car and home use. Last up is the DeWalt 20V Max XR Impact, built for serious power. Its high-torque brushless motor delivers extended runtime and top performance, while the 3 speed settings give you precision control. And equipped with a bright LED light, it's made for demanding job sites. And that wraps up our top impact drivers and wrench picks. Whether you need heavy-duty torque for automotive work, a compact driver for tight spaces, or a powerful all-around tool for everyday projects, there's something here for every toolbox. The right tool doesn't just make work easier, it makes it faster, cleaner, and more professional. Check the links in the description to find the best option for your needs and budget. Upgrade your gear, work smarter, and get the job done right.